Look at this broody girl. She's so funny. When they're broody, they just get moody and stick those feathers up. She's so fluffy, so big. There's the mama. I also noticed they make the same sounds. When they go broody, they just talk constantly. I think she's going back to her nest in just a moment. Yep, there she goes. Oh, poor Maple. The favorites tend to get mated with more than anybody. You can see poor Violet. I had a saddle cover on her. I gotta put it back. Oh, chickies. Gina's a good mama. Her chicks are 3 weeks old now, and she's still committed to them. And that's really nice.